Hi, welcome to the Gerry Lynch show. Today we're heading towards, well, we already passed Hollywood. I'm not sure if we're still in Hollywood or not, but this is a huge breakwater. Look at that. Holy moly, look how big that breakwater is. Yeah, we're up here like in the middle of nowhere. I don't even know where we're at. Nope, I have no clue where we're at. I'm lost now. I got such poor sense of direction. Holy moly. Boys, what's that? It's like two big drums up on top. Yeah, that's weird. I thought that was like a breakwater for boats, but it's all dried. Look at that, it's all dried. They're stopping something, I know that. They're trying to stop something. Why would you build breakwater and it's dry? Weird. And up there, it looks like there's a concrete plant up there. You got all the stockpile of your material. Hey, look! See a little pond there. I bet you that's some salty. Oh, holy moly, that even looks salty. That's what it is, salt. Holy moly. We're actually riding on salt. Not very good for the bikes, that's for sure. Holy crap, look at two boats drag racing. Woo! Holy moly, this here is a good video. Awesome! Two Sea-Doos. Look at that. Come on, buddy. Woo. Oh, geez, look. He's taking the lead. Holy shit. Look at this guy. Holy moly! Yeehaw! Holy! Whoa! Look at the banks washed out here. Whoa! Gotta be careful here. Look at this. Look at that. It's just like straight drop. Look at all the equipment. Holy moly. Boys, look at all those sticks, all those steel rods trying to stop the ocean, but the ocean is winning, obviously. Oh, great, now we got more beach to cross. Yeah. I can actually feel the Honda slowing down when it hits that old beach sand. think this here's the end of it up here. Up right here. Holy moly. Ooh, awesome. Look what someone made. That's nice. Give me a second, guys. Alright guys, just look at this. Holy moly. Isn't that awesome? Yeah, make a heart and a small heart inside of a big heart. Awesome. Yeah, well, here's where we're at anyway. Cassetron Bay South Railway. Here's where we're at. You are here, so we are right here. See? You are here.
No, I gave you one. I gave one to me, and I had a Pepsi, orange. Okay.
Tells you all the kilometers that you can go, and
You tell Levi.
I don't know what the rate is for. Main Street Loop. That's the rate. Yeah, yeah. But we're at the Cassetron Bay South. That's how far we made it. I don't think you can go any farther because they got rocks here now, blocking the trail. Yeah, but I think we can go up that way. But there's a lot of road up that way. So it's not worth it. So what we do is we usually stops here and we turns around and has a little break and this and that. So anyways guys, I'm gonna take off and I'm gonna take a few pictures of that heart. Okay? So don't forget to like, subscribe and share. I love you all. Bye.